Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to clear your cache on your Windows 11 computer. Let's get started. First, press Windows +R to open the Run dialog box. Next, type clean mgr into the Run dialog box and hit Enter. This will launch the disk cleanup. Here, make sure to select DirectX Shader Cache, Temporary Files, and Program Files. Once selected, click Clean up System Files to start the cleaning process. Now simply select OK, then Delete Files to finish. Now, open the Start menu and type CMD. Choose Run as Administrator from the options. Next, type ipconfig /flush DNS and hit Enter. A confirmation message will appear indicating the DNS cache has been successfully flushed. Close the command prompt and restart your computer to apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your cache in Windows 11 with Disk Cleanup. Make it a habit to do this often for a smoother system. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.